inspired trim, and lilac calico fabric, purple mesh with glitter florals, and a black gabardine fabric for the skirt for the next video that I'll be doing. And don't forget to make sure you grab yourself a pattern, which I've created and is available for sale on my official website or my Etsy shop. I sell sizes individually. I know that if you're not a manufacturer and you're not mass producing, you do not need all sizes. Unless you have multiple kids, please do purchase my package deal so that I can keep creating patterns for you all. By supporting me, I can create patterns and charge for less and keep making samples. I make samples to ensure that everything is correct. Cut out all your pieces. This is the back neckband, and this is the back. Don't forget to mark your notches by just creating a slit. On the patterns, there will be markings for your notches so you won't be lost. And I will go ahead and cut the sheer fabric and attach it to the calico fabric. I went ahead and stay stitched my shoulders and my necklines and my arm's eye. Be sure to also stay stitch your sleeve so that the satin sleeve will fit your arm size and make the process easier. I've also went ahead and cut out lining for the top and also interfacing and attached it to the lining. I've also attached the neckbands together, so the fashion fabric with the lining neckbands. I've went ahead and did understitching to make sure it doesn't roll over, and it also will reduce bulk. And at this point, you should have already sewn in your ribbon strips if you want to have the ties. And all you have to do now is attach the neckbands to the tops. So as you can see why stay stitching is important. The Hmong neckband is bigger than the top, and if you don't stay stitch, it will lose its shape. So what I've done here is made sure that it stayed stitched, and I've went ahead and did my clippings so that I can stretch out the top to fit the neckband. Now it's flat and it lays beautifully, and I'm just sewing it together. I've also went ahead and sewn the sleeves using the French seam method. I went ahead and attached the lining to the fashion fabric, and now all I have to do is finish the hem, and this is the inside. I've done all the clippings to make sure that it will lay flat. And I also need to do the invisible stitch, which is the S stitch for the arm size, and I will be done. I hope you all enjoy making your top for your kids, and I will see you at the next project. Thank you for supporting me. Bye.